Yeah, goal kick. If you are here, you can't push the ball uzofuna uzaphakathi nendawo. No. Angithi there's two center backs here. Then ugoalkeeper uphakathi nendawo. Then the center back, you can't be pushing the ball ungena phakathi. Why are you coming inside? That is the first mistake. Ufuna ukuza phakathi nendawo. Why ufuna ukuza phakathi nendawo? And you cannot be saying wozani. No, a player, you can't tell a player to come and get the ball. Right? Bese ufuna ukumpasa. No. The player must show what he wants the ball. And makalifuna, he will make a run to show you what, no, I want the ball. Right? uNdlovu, he's not that player. He's not delicious. The only player uMabuya, right? But now he's not recognizing ukuthi there is space here. Angithi uNdlovu ula, right? He's pulling these two away. Now Mabuya woza la. But he doesn't. Then we are, yes, bah. Then again, after passing the ball, in short, you need to know where to move, when to move. After passing the keeper, make a run there as well. So that kuzovuleka space la phakathi nendawo. Kuzovuleka space for uMabuya. But he doesn't. He's standing here. Why? Why? It's simple, this thing. This thing is simple. I need to, they are pressing with two here. There's three of us here, right? C3, but pressing at two. If we pass the keeper, then C by four. Whenever you open up the space, when you open up the space, if this guy goes here, the keeper will pass you the ball. Sugar. Bomi guy.